Okay, so let's move towards the session. So, hello everyone, I am Tejas Mane, lead of Google Developer Student Clubs IIIT Allahabad. So, today we are discussing about the ML study jams. This campaign will be running from 24th April, that is today, till 30th May. So, you have almost around 30 to 40 days for this campaign, and I will explain you during this session what are the different gains, what you will learn throughout this campaign, and what's in there for you. So first of all, let's discuss about the machine learning. So what is machine learning? We are hearing this term very much quite lately because everyone is talking about machine learning and every company almost using these ML algorithms. And you must have heard these terms in your curriculum also. So machine learning field is continuously growing, evolving, and fastest growing fields in the technology. You can say that there is a rapid emergence of whole new generation of data and machine learning. So you can see that there are different types of data science jobs regarding this field, like data scientist, data architect, data engineer, statistician, machine learning engineer, and data science manager. So all these jobs require you to have a robust understanding of machine learning and data science. So let's see some stats regarding this particular field. Why is it so important and why it is growing so fast? So 60% of potential company adaptation is about machine learning, and 98k jobs are posted on machine learning. So you can imagine the scale of these jobs and the availability in these jobs. So 98,000 jobs are posted for the machine learning field, and there are huge career responsibilities and opportunities in this particular field. There are 92% accuracy on ML models. So ML model accuracy is basically how accurate the model is, how well you can predict something. The 92% accuracy means out of 100 testing results, the 92 results are correct or accurate. And if we talk about the market size, there is $117 billion market currently operating on machine learning. So all these trends show one thing, that this is a continuously growing field and you have a lot of opportunities if you learn ML. Uh, and I must tell you one thing, in coming years of your college you must uh, you have to do semester projects, and for that the most preferred tech is machine learning. So if you do projects in machine learning, it will easily qualified as a semester project. If you move towards software development like app development or web development, chances are only 50% of the projects will be accepted. So this is very important you learn machine learning, because in almost every scenario there is some application of machine learning involved. So yeah, as we are discussing, demand for data engineering exceeds data scientists, and you can see the high salary growth in data scientist and machine learning jobs. So there is a 650% growth since 2012 in the data science sector. So these are some stats you can go through them after the session also. So the basic idea of explaining all this is how rapidly this particular field is growing and how much opportunities this field offer. So if you learn this uh, in your early stage of college, first or second year, it will be very helpful for you in your placements also, for resume also. The ML projects are considered as one of the best projects. So make sure you learn these things early as possible. So to make you aware of this machine learning field, GDSC has come up with ML study jams. So what is exactly the ML study jam? So we can see that the ML study jam is divided into two parts. First is Explore ML and second is Kaggle course. So as we are discussing about this field, there are two main categories we can say. First is machine learning and second is data science. So we'll learn about the machine learning using Explore ML, and the data science part will be covered in Kaggle courses. So how many of you heard about Kaggle before? Heard or interacted with or have visited their site? Anyone else? Yes or no, you can at least say that. So I'll get the idea about the audience. Okay. Yeah, so good to note that many of you have already heard about Kaggle. So I guess you know how important is Kaggle in this particular field of ML and data science. So imagine you have a Kaggle certificate for doing something in the machine learning. So how cool is that particular thing? So using the ML study jams, you will get opportunity to learn these particular things using Explore ML, which is a part of Google and Kaggle courses also. So though these courses are standardized courses, and you will learn the standard from the standardized courses also. So we can say there are 6 weeks involved in this particular program, and there will be self-paced learning. So that does not mean you have to learn fast or anything like that. You can take your time. There is almost 30 to 40 days for you to go through all these courses and learn. So you can learn according to your pace. There is no such requirement that you have to complete this session in only a 1 week or so. You can use your time. Next, hands-on assignments. So only learning or viewing some videos or listening to someone is not enough. You have to do some hands-on practice for that particular thing also. So in this course also you will get many opportunities to actually implement what you are learning through different courses. So this will be covered in hands-on assignments also. So this will enhance your confidence and also improve your learning for that particular topic. Next is roadmap to a career. So how many of you interested in building the career in machine learning field? You already heard about the salaries and opportunities involved in this field. So any of you interested in doing career in machine learning? Okay, I can see some responses. Other cities, not tough. There are plenty of jobs in the machine learning field. The problem is you learn some model and you do some coding. That's not enough for machine learning. You have to build the basic understanding of any topic, and these study jams will help you build that understanding, which will help you in the jobs. So I hope you will attend these sessions, and those who didn't answer, I hope you will try to find the career opportunity after attending the sessions. So let's move on to next one, certify yourself. That's right. You won't learn this course without any earning. There is one certificate from Google itself, which will be very helpful for your resumes also, to show that you have done this course and you are certified in this particular course. So let's see why ML study jam. So what's in there for you? What are the opportunities and we can say perks involved in this particular field? So first is upskill your knowledge. So if you are beginner, you are most welcome. There are you can start with ML study jams. You can learn the basics and then proceed to upskill your knowledge. Then peer-to-peer learning. So in the GDSC we have our Discord server. Rushil or Tarun, can you please share the Discord link in the chat? So you can join Discord server, and it is a peer-to-peer learning. So you'll learn with each other. You will discuss, if you have any doubts, you can discuss with your seniors or GDSC members or with each other. So the peer-to-peer learning is very helpful in that particular case. And next, put theory into practice through assignments. So not only theory, we will have some practicals also for this particular thing. So you will get a chance to put the theory into practice, and there will be assignments also which will help you strengthen your knowledge. Then digital badges after completing the course. So throughout the course, whenever you complete a course, you will get a digital badge on your Google profile. So this badge can be shared on any social media if you want, or you can attach this in your resumes as a proof of your courses. And final, the roadmap to ML journey. So if you want to do career in the ML, we will help you with that also. We'll show you the roadmap how you can start if you know anything about ML, or if you are absolute beginner. We will tell you the roadmap for your ML journey. So how these study jams work. So first is introduction to ML. So this is the info session we are conducting. So next we will have one session about introduction to ML. So one of the GDSC member will teach you about these things. So this session will only be for the beginners who don't know about ML or knows only basics. They can attend the session. Next, crowdsource contribution. So okay, so anyone here knows about the crowdsource? What is this particular thing of, or have you heard about crowdsource in general? No, it's not same as open source. Okay, so we'll cover this in the later slides. Let's just understand the flow first, then deep dive into ML. So you can say that this will be considered as intermediate part. Then assignments. So whatever you have learned through up till this point, you will get assignments to test your knowledge. Don't worry, you won't have any marks or any competition as such. This is a peer-to-peer learning environment. So assignments are only for you to test your knowledge and boost your confidence. And then career panel. So we'll invite some like people who are pursuing their career in the ML and like working in big software companies as ML scientist or data scientist. So you can join those sessions also. And if you have any doubts, as like others have mentioned some doubts in the chat about the ML jobs and all, so you can also ask them and clear your doubts. So if you see the whole path up to fourth point, you gain the knowledge about machine learning and all. What are the requirements, what are the basics and intermediate knowledge, and then we have a career panel. So you have the knowledge for this career panel, what is machine learning and all. So you can ask these people different doubts you have until this particular campaign. So I guess this helps. Next, introduction to explore ML with crowdsource. So this is the first part. So you can see here the logo crowdsource by Google. So what is crowdsource? So Google's mission is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. I hope many of you have used the different Google products like which works on machine learning, especially like Google Lens. So how many of you use the Google Lens? I hope everyone have used at least once in their life Google Lens. It's very popular app. If you haven't used it yet, please go to the Play Store and download it. So Google Lens, we can say, is an excellent example of machine learning. So the crowdsource basically works on this principle. There is a community which helps Google to like generate this particular data for machine learning algorithms. So this means that helping make AI serve everyone everywhere. So you are helping the artificial intelligence of Google to make their products better. Like the Lens predicts the particular place or translate the text just by clicking the photo. So those who are contributing to the crowdsource are making this particular Lens thing better day by day. So we can say that Google Lens is able to translate restaurant menus and signboards, so when she is visiting a new country. why it is possible? Due to the crowdsource. Or you can say you can use the Google Assistant for different types of things, like you can speak in English, or you can use your regional language like Hindi also to speak to assistant. And why is it possible? Again, due to the crowdsource. And also Google Photos is an excellent app, I guess everyone uses it to organize your photos, and using different places and suggestions. And I guess the Google Photos give very nice suggestions, compares your old photos with the new ones, create collage and different animations, etc. So all these things are possible because of the crowdsource. So what is Explore ML with Crowdsource? So these are the basically workshops which are live sessions. So if you want, we can conduct these sessions offline as well, where participants learn theoretical concepts and hands-on exercises using Crowdsource app with the help of facilitator. So we'll announce the facilitator very soon. So basically in this particular workshop, you will use the Crowdsource app to generate different data and images. So theoretical principle review, then hands-on activities, practical experience, and course completion certificate. So this will be the format. First, you will be taught some principles, some concept about the machine learning, and then you will get chance to practically apply them, and then the course completion certificate will be given to you. So there are two tracks involved in this particular study jams. First is beginner and second is intermediate. So those who are absolute new and don't know anything about ML, they can contribute, or they can register themselves into the beginner course. Each track includes the key modules on ML concepts and crowdsourced task illustrations. So we'll cover this in the later slide. What is second point? And the intermediate stage also cover these points, but the difficulty level varies in these two. So you can see for the beginner there is introduction to ML and neural networks, and for intermediate the machine learning extended and problem framing. So this is the course content you will be learning throughout this campaign. So anyone have heard about these terms before? What is neural networks? What is problem framing? Okay, so let's move to the next slide. So I I think all of you are hearing this crowdsource term from the last few minutes. So crowdsource is an app available on Play Store also. So you can download this app using this link, or you can scan this QR code to download the app. So I would suggest please don't download the app directly from the Play Store. Instead, scan this QR, because this is specially curated for the IIIT Allahabad students. So you will be tracked if you download using this QR code, or else your contributions won't be tracked. So I request everyone to please scan this QR and download the Crowdsource app. Okay, should we move to the next slide? I hope everyone have scanned this QR and downloaded the app. So yeah, you can open the app. You can see different sections like the camera section, the smart camera part. So in the smart camera, what you do is you click some random images of things around you, and let's see, you can see it as a fun game. So click picture of something as described in this particular GIF. So click a picture and let Google identify that particular thing. If Google fails to identify the thing, you can add the description, like for example a food item, any regional food item which is famous at your place. You can scan that. If Google identifies this, that's great. If it doesn't, then you can tell Google that this is the particular thing. You can use the regional languages also to tell that this is the particular thing. So it will be really helpful for the camera to identify different things as well. So this will be the course and lessons we'll be covering in throughout this month. So we'll learn about machine learning and pandas. Then we'll learn about the intermediate stage and what is feature engineering, introduction to deep learning, computer vision, time series, and introduction to AI ethics. So I guess this excites you all because this is very exclusive content being available to you, and I hope everyone here utilizes this content and make their understanding in the field of machine learning better. So what's after course completion? So everyone who finishes a Kaggle course will receive a completion certificate. So you can see the demo completion certificate. It is a Kaggle certificate. So you will get the certificate once you complete the courses given by us. This is the, yeah. So this is some information about how you can get the certificate. So I guess the certificate looks very cool, and you can also utilize this in your resumes also. So this is the official certificate from Kaggle, and I guess it provides very high value in your resumes also. So so if you want to divide this whole study jams in 2 points, I can say that you will get weekly content on Discord channel. So I hope everyone have joined the Discord. If you haven't yet, please do join the Discord server of GDSC IIITA. You will get all the content on weekly basis on the Discord server itself. If you have any queries, you can also ask these on the Discord server itself, and any one of the members will answer your queries as soon as possible. So weekly content on Discord, so you can learn with your own pace. If you didn't get chance to learn in that particular week, you can carry forward the lectures in the next week also, an opportunity to evaluate yourself through assignments. So we'll be providing regular assignments as well to test your knowledge. And after completing the workshop, so after we host a workshop, we'll share a workshop form survey basically at the end of the workshop. So make sure if you are attending the workshop to stay until the workshop ends. Do not leave in between, because at the end we'll be sharing a form with you, which will be a survey basically. So only who completes the survey will receive the certificate. So make sure you attend this workshop till the end and don't uh, leave in between. And also your contributions on the Crowdsource app are also tracked. So that's why I requested you to download the app using the QR code or the link shared in the chat. That's the only way we can track your contributions. And weekly top 5 contributions will be featured on Google's social handles. So it's nice opportunity for you to make use of this particular study jams and get featured by Google. So what is the timeline for this ML study jams? So week 1 induction session and explore ML. So we are currently having the induction session. Then week 2 basic machine learning. We'll share the content in the Discord also. And if you need, we can also take a separate session on each topic. So make sure you join the Discord and give your vote if you want session, or you can learn through the content provided. Next, week 3 will cover intermediate machine learning. Week 4 we will cover the introduction to deep learning. So this is the another field. Week 5 we will cover the AI and time series. And week 6 will be the career panel and advanced learning. So up till week 5 we will learn a lot of things, and at week 6 you have the opportunity to interact with the ML scientists and the engineers working in this particular field. You can ask your doubts also, and the advanced learning part is also in the week 6. So, in short, we will cover from basics to intermediate to advanced part in the machine learning itself. And as you all are freshers, it's very important for you to learn all these concepts in your first or second year itself. So it will give you edge over other students also, and it will help you in your semester projects as well. So I request all of you to attend this session and don't forget to join the Discord server. Vedant, the tracks will be covered during sessions itself. So, like we will notify you, or you can see on the event page also, the session is for beginners or intermediate. So, you can join those particular sessions accordingly. There are no separate track links as such. We'll have events for different tracks, but we'll notify you about the track that is it a beginner level event or intermediate. So, any other questions? Uh, Tarun, can you please share the links again, the Discord link and Crowdsource app link?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the Kahoot winner prizes. So, Kahoot winner will get a Flipkart voucher. We'll mail you the Flipkart voucher. Others, can you please give your email ID or email that to the GDSC? You can send it to Rushil or Tarun in the chat itself.